Alright, welcome. This is the homework solution for Wednesday, February 20th for week 25's homework, okay? Here it says to write the number in scientific notation. So let's do a little review. Let's do a little review here from our class notes. First, you want to make sure you check the number that there is a decimal, right? It starts at the end. Then, step 1, move the decimal to the left or to the right. In this case, we're moving to the left because we're trying to get a number that is in between 1 and 10. 1, 2, 3. The reason why we move it 3 spots is so we could have that number 8.6. 3 times to the left, it's a positive 3. Okay? Because this is a large number, right? The exponent here is positive. What about this one? Start with the dot. Okay? That's the decimal. Move it over 1, 2, 3. 2.4 times 10 to the negative 3. Negative 3 because you're going to the right. Okay? Also, this is a small number. Negative power for small numbers. Okay? Alright, let's use that idea that we learned in class to do this. Okay? You're going to write the number in scientific notation. Okay? The beautiful part is we already have the decimal right there. Right there. Now we can just move it. I'm going to use blue for that. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. 3 spots because I have the number 2.1. So I have the number 2.1. Good? That is good. That is the number that I want. That's in between 1 through 10. We are going to multiply that. Okay? Sometimes you see the word, sometimes you see this, right? Or you see the dot. Okay? For me, I'm going to use the dot for multiplication. Okay? 10 to what exponent? What's the exponent up here? Right? Should it be a 3? Or should it be a negative 3? Okay? Remember, we are going to the right. Right? Right is negative. Or, this is a small number. Negative. So that would be your answer here. 2.1 times 10 to the negative 3. Let's look at 4. Let's put the dot. Where's the dot here? This is 5,430,000. So the dot here is at the end. Okay? Alright, let's move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is this good? Should I stop here? I have 54. No. 54 is not in between 1 through 10. So, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If I put the dot here, would that work? Yes. I moved 6 spots, right? I moved 6 spots. So the number that I have here is the number that I have here is 5.4. Alright? And I multiply that by 10. And I went over how many spots? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So this should be a positive 6 or negative 6. Positive 6. Positive exponent for a large number. Okay. Next one. 321 million. Wow, that's a big number. Put the decimal here. Let's move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. Perfect there. So it should be 3.21. That is the number. And we are going to multiply that by 10. And the exponent here, how many did we go over? Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. Positive or negative? Positive, right? Because, again, that is a large number. Good. Again, I'm not going to do it in much detail now, right? I'm just going to whip through the problems, okay? Number 3, 4, and 5 where I explained it really in detail, okay? Put a dot here. That's where the decimal is. Move according. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, that's perfect because now here, do you see how it becomes 6.25? That's perfect. I moved 6 times, okay? So the number here that I end up having is 6.25. That's good because that number is in between 1.1 through 10. Okay? Multiply this by 10. What's the exponent? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Positive 6? No, it's negative 6. Good? I'm going to the right. It's also a small number. The dot's here. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Perfect. 4. So that was, 0.4. Does that work? No, I would have to move over one more time. So let's move it over one more time right here. Perfect. 4. Right? Now I can use the number 4. The number 4 is between 1 through 10. So I like that. I can use that. 4 times 10. What's the exponent? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. Positive or negative? Negative, because I'm going to the right. It's also small number. Next one, put the dot here at the end. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Perfect. Put the dot here. Good. So it's 1.07. That number is in between 1 through 10. And multiply this by 10. Exponent here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Positive or negative? It's positive because this is a large number. So that's your answer. 1.7 times 10 to the 7th power. Good. Let's look at this one. Where does the decimal go? The decimal goes in right here at the end. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right here. The reason why is because I can make the number 4.5. Good. So becomes 4.5. The number 4.5. Okay. Multiply this by 10. How much did I move over? Let's count it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it is to the 10th power. Positive or negative? Positive. Again, I'm going to the left. Or this is a large number. Good? A very large number. That's $45 billion. I bet you this is how much like Amazon makes in a month. Okay? Whoa, that's a small number right there. Look at all those zeros. Those leading zeros. Oof. Okay. Put the dot here. That's where the decimal was. Then we move accordingly. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Then you put the dot. Oof, that's a big number. Alright, 12 times. So 9.256. Alright, I got that from what? Moving it over 12 times. Okay, so multiply that by 10 to what power? I think 12, right? Did I count 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It was 12. Positive or negative? Negative, because it's a small number. I'm also going to the right. Last one. Woof. Easy one. Good. Put the dot here. Right. Move it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. What number do I get? I get, oops, sorry. 8 point. 8.4 times, good, 10 to what power? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, positive 5, okay? Not negative, positive. Right, notice, small number, negative power, big number, positive, big number, positive, small number, negative, small number, negative, big number, positive, big number, positive, small number, negative, positive, large number, positive. Sorry, this was negative, 10 was negative, okay? 11 was positive. Good? Okay, there you go. Those are all your homework solution for Wednesday, February 20th for week 25.